So here we go. I did another 50% on this side of the pond, which raises the water level, which makes it flow through that water or the fish trap. So there's half of it. You can see it's rising in there. It's up to the bottom of that ATV ramp I put in to walk on, and it's flowing a lot better. Look at that net. I don't want to walk down there really because it's getting sloppy, but most of the water, 90% of the water's in that net. I can see fish squirming around in there, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna just keep going on this. You can see how good this is flowing out now. Look at the back there. Looking good. It's like I planned it. Alright, so I'm going to work from the other side now and get some of that topsoil down in there. I was using this side because it's like clay and rock and gravel and a good mix. I figure that'll dry out quicker than topsoil. Topsoil is just going to make this mucky, like quicksand, like black mud. Anyway, I'm going to get the excavator on the other side and start over there and bail it into the pond. And this whole thing will be empty by, I don't know, another hour. I'll have it empty. I'll make another video as I go. And then as soon as it dries out, I'm going to layer it with rocks and hopefully get a good underwater drain. Fill in most of the drainage ditch. Hopefully slow the water. I'll figure it out as I go. See what I got here for material. See how things start panning out. But I'm going to go ahead and go to that other side and start filling that in now.